Welcome, in front of me I have Google Pixel 5 and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard. Open Play Store, tap on the search bar and download green Apple keyboard. Yeah, there's the application from the Arvin apps. Let's download. Right now we can open, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK 2 times, go back, click to switch input methods, switch to English United States green Apple keyboard, click finish and take a look right now. As you can see right now, we got almost identical keyboard like on iPhone, and also we get here emojis. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.